Girl, it has been confirmed. My Barbie will be having a litter of puppies. I keep you all updated. Like I said, due date is January 18th, on or before. For all females, it would be $400 for American Bully pups. For all males, it'll be $350 because she has paper, the mother does, but the father doesn't. As you can see, the father is a pocket size American Bully pit, tricolored. Very handsome, sir. And then, of course, my Barbie, she's an American Bully, the large breed, chocolate. And she has razor edge in her, and he has gator head. So these are going to be a nice batch of Bully American puppies. Keep me updated, and I keep you all updated. She should expect to have between 8 to 13. Like I said, all males will be $350. Females will be $400. Go ahead and put in your reserve now. You may text me at 336-300-0115. This is Karen Martin, aka Miss Exquisite. Again, my contact number is 336-300-0115. Hope to see you with one of my beautiful babies. And I'm located in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Stay tuned. Have an exquisite day and happy Thursday. For my girl and my big boy. And this is Bruce, and that's Barbie, the B&B effect. Stay tuned. Here is my Barbie to the left, the chocolate red nose, and my Bruce to my right. And I think they will be expecting probably by January the 16th. Like I said, I'll keep you all posted. You have an exquisite weekend. An exquisite week as well.